Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if it's your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana Shito. So it's very spicy and very flavorful, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, and also share and subscribe. So let's get straight into it. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have here some onions, ginger, garlic, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And I also have here oil for frying. I have here beef cubes. I also have here hot chili flakes. I have here chili powder, seasoning cube powder, mixed spices. I also have here paprika powder, tomato paste. I have here garlic powder, onion and curry powder, and also shrimp powder and herring powder. So I'll start by boiling the beef for about 10 minutes. I'll be marinating it with some salt and seasoning cubes and beef seasoning powder. So after 10 minutes it's done cooking. I'll drain the stock and set it aside. Now I'll be frying the beef for about 10 minutes until golden brown, and then I'll set it aside. So I'll go ahead and add in the onion, ginger and garlic. I'll be adding in more garlic and ginger and also onion because I'm cooking on a large quantity. I'll add in more oil. So Shito absorbs more oil, so don't hesitate to add in more oil if necessary. I'll go ahead and add in the chili powder. And the paprika powder. ginger powder, so I'll mix it all together and make sure the heat is very low so it doesn't burn. I will now add in my seasonings. And as I said, add in more oil when necessary. Now I will cover it and cook it on a low to medium heat. I'll go ahead and add in the chili flakes. Then I'll add in the herring powder and the shrimp powder. Now I'm adding in the fried beef. So it's optional if you don't need to add it in. So at this point, our shito is done and it's ready. So I'll let it cool down and store it in the food container or a food jar. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.